Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no? Sa ating mga kababayan. Again, this is Psei Recap. And medyo matagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-upload, no? I think a month or more than a month na ba? So again, this is October 21. Nonetheless, we're going to have a quick view of the market and ano na ba yung nakikita natin sa market, no? And what are the opportunities left or probably stocks that we should be probably tracking at this point, no, na might present opportunities for us. So hopefully we were able to uh, survive yung market, no. I think for the last 2 to 3 months, napakahirap, no. If not yung market na ganito, no. Hindi siya makapag-decide, no, kung he will go down or go up, but nagme-maintain siya sa 7.5, 7.8, 7.9 level, and then magulo, no? So no clear trend, and talagang more than anything else, marami, no? Marami talaga nahihirapan sa market. So again, this PSCI recap, and of course, no, yung lagi nating nakagawian na sa channel na to, no? We have yung quick word from our sponsor, no? This comes from Romans chapter 12 verse 2. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God, no? The word here is conform to this world, no? Not conform. So ibig sabihin, maraming bagay dito sa mundo yung will present itself na parang okay siya, pwede mong gawin to, but when you come to think of it, it is not, no? It is not the will of God, no? So again, presently, ngayon, ano ba yung mga bagay na pwede nating masabi or we can relate to that, no? In the next week or 2 weeks, of course, magiging rampant na naman yung mga Halloween decoration. If not, no, mga Halloween parties. And before, hindi ko pa yan masyadong iniintindi, and I thought it was harmless. I thought it was okay. It was only for fun, for entertainment. But as I read the Word of God, no, doon mo malilinawan, no, makikita mo doon na dapat hindi yan sinicelebrate, no. And of course, sino ba yung gine-glorify mo, no, when you are putting a costume na, kumbaga, alam niyo naman yung buntot may sungay, no? So, and marami pang iba, di ba? So, again, if you're really serious, no, pagdating dito sa pagbabasa, makikita niyo yan, no? And not only that, no, and even when you see yung development ngayon, no, na nagkakaroon ng yung mga gender neutral rooms or mga restroom, parang ang tingin mo dyan, very no, okay or hindi. But I tell you, no, step 1 lang nila yan, and susunod niyan, no, like sa ibang bansa, sa mga western nation, sa mga elementary, sa mga kids nila, itinuturo na rin yung mga third sex is very normal daw, no? So propaganda yan, and sooner or later baka even me, no, nag-speak ng against them, baka pati ako huntingin na rin nila, no? So again, maraming bagay dito sa mundo yung will present itself na parang okay, ginagawa naman lahat, sinicelebrate naman lahat, but definitely hindi. So again, do not be conformed, and yung tinatawag natin na transform, no, and renewing of your mind. So mag-iiba na yung pananaw mo sa mundo. So maraming bagay na yung dating okay siya, ngayon hindi na. So again, keep on reading the Word, keep on searching for the truth, and as we are traders, our goal here is not to make a lot of money, no, but at least to provide for our families, to make a living, di ba? And mas marami pang bagay, no? Yung mas importante aside from making money. And I hope I have made my point there very well. So again, before we start yung ating review of the market, again, anything that I would say, take it with a grain of salt, do your work, and of course, dapat maging maging reference or guide mo lang. If not, probably you should be double checking, no? So again, market, no, gained 44 points. We're closing at 7,885. So again, but naka-recover, no? Even for the last week, maganda-ganda. I think 100 plus yung nag-gain ng market points, no? So, nangyari kasi, we're seeing yung market or index riding yung US-China trade talk, no? I think they're hammering out yung details. I think meron mga bagay na napagkasunduan yung US-China para ma-lessen na yung trade war because I think both of their economies are being affected and tayo rin dito, no? Sa Pilipinas, we're being affected then as well. So again, para sa ating Pilipinas for our local market, I think Q2 was very disappointing for our market. We have, I think, slowed down. No? I think if I'm not mistaken, 5.5%. Yung ating inilaki ng quarter, very slow. I think that is the slowest for the last 4 years. So that is not good, and I think many of them, of the big bonds, is being viewed that as negative, no? And again, it will definitely trickle down sa ating Q3 as well, no? Finally, yung mga report siguro is being prepared because right now nasa October na tayo. So again, for the index, definitely we were seeing buyers dito sa 576 level. So that is good, but right now, no, I think it would be very difficult for a market to even hold or retain itong 81 level. So I think magkaroon ng swing this week, probably pababa, no? So you might as well bantayan mo yung 77 level, no? Kung tumaas kasi ito, magiging mahina rin yan eventually. I do not think, no, na makakalagpas tayo dito sa level given yung headwinds or news na yung developing in our local market as well, no? So again, what you wanna do at this point is you wanna check yung mga indexes na nagpakita ng some movement, no? Some movement during the upswing na nangyari dito from 7.5 to 7.8, no? So again, we're gonna tackle a few of them and probably some of the good names na pwede nating makakita ng opportunities. So right now, we have yung pen, of course. We're all here, nag-aabang na trying to have a breakout, but hindi ibinigay, no? The seller was too strong. I think maganda-ganda yung naging average ng seller dito. Probably siya yung sumasalo rito. And then dito, hindi niya na pinalagpas. So, again, there are at least warning signs, no? From a tight pattern dito, biglang nagkaroon ng biglang pagbaba. Hopefully, that reminds you na talagang the seller is strong and you're able to get out really soon, no? So, halos inubos lang lahat, no? Inubos lang lahat yung nag-aakala na magsusupport dito and magsusupport dito. Medyo dinip lang ng konti, tapos sabay pinataas ngayon, no? So, right now, lalagpas pa siya doon sa level na yun. Sa 3 level, I do not think so, no? So again, you might as well buy, lalo na pagkababa ng index, malaking chance na ito magbababa ng dire-diretso rin. And I do not see it really rallying up beyond that point, no? Without dipping purse or consolidating, no? So, you might as well abangan nyo to dito sa level na to, trade gap dito. I think this is a 230, 240 level. It might be a good, again, it might be a good idea na mag-abang doon, no? Sa level na yon. I think mahihirapan siya if not ma-break yung level na yun, yung previous high niya. Again, this is our move of the week, almost 11.38%, no? Yung kanyang ginalaw. Think dito. So that is pen. I think kasi nangyari dito when everyone's trying to anticipate the breakout, biglang labas ng disclosure ng paborito mong broker na oversold na raw to. Tama, no? So, yung sentiment na pababa niya talaga ng matindi yung sabay bili rito. So again, that is for Fen. Antay na muna, no, sa dips, and especially overall sa market, hindi naman natin nakikita na malakas yung market. Even na nag-recover konti ngayon, I do not think, no, mabibreak niya itong level na to. So next on our watch list, or probably yung sentiment of the market, I think 4th week for October. Again, seems like everybody is hesitant with the PH economy because of the slowdown, and we're likely to see difficulty for the index to maintain or hold 8.1 level. So tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, the macro news or yung mga fundamental news for the Philippine market is not that good, no? Because isa na dyan factors in yung budget, no? Budget for 2019, nagkaroon ng aberya, of course, nag-underspend yung government. Course, nag-underspend yung government. As you all know, yung 2017 rally ng market natin was mainly driven because of the anticipation of the Build program. So again, another factor that I'm seeing is yung CITRA law na probably pwedeng i-amend, no? Yung mga companies na nag-operate sa Pilipinas na yung mga tax incentives nila ma-lift up, no? I think kinakailangan ma-clear out muna yon, or probably magkaroon ng kalinawan dun sa mga factors na yon before we see another upswing, no, para sa ating market. But on the brighter side of things, I think yung kalakasan naman ng Philippine market, because most if not, no, sa atin merong mga kakilala or kamag-anak na OFW. Of course, the analysts are betting na yung local consumption, especially, no, yung sa e-commerce, is malakas for the Philippine market. So again, you have to see yung mga high level factors or yung mga headwinds, no, yung mga ganitong balita, and then you factor in ano yung nangyayari sa market. So again, one of our watch list, one of the strong names, no, fundamentally earnings wise, itong BPI. So again, very tight price action dito, no, but floating, no, ibig sabihin there are big buyers na talagang they're willing, no, to buy. And tayo naman, no, ano nakikita na natin dito, probably kulang, no, na nakikita ko, nahihirapan din siya makawala dito, no, sa current level niya. And you might want to check and see if probably, no, support 1 dito, pwede ka mag-abang dito, but if it breaks, there's a good chance, no, na ito bibitinin niya lahat ng mga nag-buyers dito na hindi pa nakapagbenta, i-dip niya hanggang dito, no, sa 84 level, 83 level, lalo pag yung market nag-downturn, no, probably madamay din tong BPA. But fundamentally wise, I think the earnings is up, no, more than I think 29% if I'm not mistaken, and that is very solid earnings para sa BPI. So medyo kinakabahan lang ako dito, no, parang nahihinaan ako, hindi niya bubutas yung resistance dito. And ang gagawin niya, medyo pabababain niya dito. If the buyers are not really strong there, might dip it, no? Hanggang dito sa 84, but that is a big move, no? I think ako, if magpunta rito sa level na to, masunod yung ating nakikita, I'll probably blind buy dito sa level na to. 84 pababa. So, but I do not think, no? I do not think na mangyayari yan ng ganong kabilis. And seeing na maganda rin naman yung support dito kahit paano. So again, that is on our watch list, BPI. Next on our watch list, AGI, no? Alliance Global. Probably one of the weakest, if not, no? But ang nagustuhan ko dito sa price action ng AGI, nung dumating na siya dito sa below 11, no? Na 1040 level activity, no? Nagkaroon na ng activity and a lot of buyers. So right now, mukhang pababa siya and it's going to retest again, no? Probably that's the right time to buy again, no? Yung AGI para makapwesto ng maganda-ganda. So again, nakikita ko they're really buying a lot of shares, no? Yung share buyback ng AGI, medyo binubuhos na rin yan, no? And I think this is the good point na pwede kang bumili, no? For AGI. This is for a good anticipation na bababa siya, and then probably pag bumaba pwedeng i-retest yung 1220, 1240 area dito. So that is a good risk to reward ratio. But right now, no, hintayin mo muna bumaba dun sa support again yung AGI, no. Gusto ko yung action niya dito no. So akala ko nga bababa pa to sa 9 level, but I think yung mga supporters nito was able to step up, no? Ayaw na nila mapunta sa single digit, umaksyon na agad, no? So again, abang-abang tayo doon sa level na yon dito sa buying area. So next on our watch list would be JGS. Again, one of the index names, very solid, no? Yung nagiging formation niya, but probably pagka nauntog yung index natin this week sa 8,000 level, probably dito ka mag-abang again, no? Sa 70, 50, 71 area nitong JGS. I think parang ano lang to maghahagda ng pag ganon. And then consolidation dito, tapos biglang breakout na, no? Yung nakikita natin sa JGS. Price action wise, yung pagkaka-structure ng yung price action yan, nagugustuhan ko, no? Kasi may consistency and mukhang may nagtutulak din sa JGS. Next on our watch list would be NIKL, no? NIKL, I think for this week maraming mag-aabang dito sa support na to, but probably if magkaroon ng flash crash na tinatawag, usually dito ipitin lahat nila ng buyer. But if for example mabigyan kang pagkakataon na makabili sa 340, yung magpa-flash crash lang tapos long tail lang na pa ganun, tapos buy ka na rito, no? Magpapanik yan, it's a 1 day or 2 event na pwede kang makabili, no? Before finally reverses, no? And I think ganun nga yung mangyayari rito. They're going to trap lahat ng expected buyers dito. And ikaw naman, you're going to place yung order mo dito, no? At least sa 340 area para mas safe, no? Dito. That is a quick 7 to 8% pagka bumalik siya sa dating level, no? So that is our take for NIKL. Of course, ang NIKL has a positive news as well, no? Probably one of the beneficiaries nung current Indonesia restriction sa nickel nila. And of course, saan ibang bibili yan kung hindi din sa Pilipinas, no? Yung mga dating customers ng Indonesia. So again, that's our take for NIKL. We're just waiting for the flash flash crash or yung mga matatrap, no, na magbenta dito, yung magpapanik. And then probably pwede kang bumili dito. But maganda yung yung story na na-develop dito sa NIKL. Next on our watch list, if not one of the strongest names for this year. I think this is the stock of the year, if I'm not mistaken. We have SLI, no? For SLI, ang nangyayari dito, every time the index goes down, it goes up. And if the index going down, baliktad naman. SLI goes up naman. So again, this week, probably, if mag-rally pa rin yung index this Monday, Tuesday, pwede ka na mag-abang dito, no? I think sa 250, 255 level, pwede kang mag-abang for SLI. I think that is a good support. If not, bitaw mo agad because it might be the start naman, no, of distribution. But right now, I do not think na tapos na tong SLI because they're trying to check kung ano yung magiging Q3 if solid pa rin ba yung earnings ng SLI. If solid yung earnings, let's say a good 25% na naman yung quarterly net earnings niya, a good chance na mag-continue itong SLI. So again, probably the stock of the year, no, for 2019 na itong SLI. This is the classic look kung ano yung uptrend, no, following the trend looks like. Next on our watch list would be FEH, no, very undervalued for the last 2.5 or 2 months has been pababa, no? But we're seeing tightness again, especially the last week. We're seeing tightness dito sa FPH. If you could somehow still buy this, no, 76, 79 area, dito sa area na to, kung bababa pa dyan, that's a good buy already. But right now, no, with the tightness ng price action dito, probably a good time, no, para mag-accumulate for FPH. And of course, probably check or put this on your watch list, itong FPH. Parang ready na siya. I think it's going to be ready para mag-reversal. And nakikita na natin yung usual formation before the reversal, no, yung tightness na price action. And of course, last but not the least, Holcim. Nagpanic na lahat, but itong Holcim was able to ride out yung volatility ng market, and napaka-steady pa rin naman siya sa 14.80. So itong blue area na to, this would be a hesitation area. But once it's reached 16, probably mag-accelerate, no? Mag-accelerate na mabilis tong Holcim. Of course, the backstory, nagkaroon ng delay yung finality of details, no, pagdating sa SMC for Holcim. But I think from what we're seeing, nobody's selling, everybody's holding. And let's just wait and see if this could be the quarter, no, para ma-break yung 16 for Holcim. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood. This is PSI Recap, and maraming salamat. And of course, you might want to check DMC pala. Isa rin yun sa mga nakikita ko na maganda na abangan, no? You might want to check yung price action ng DMC na yan.